Okay. All right. We got a Harley WL frame. We believe it's WL, but it is a 3-bolt frame. Now I'm not sure what year it is exactly, because if you look at it right here, I believe they came out with these mounts here in 47 or so, and these look like they've been added on. So we may have a little earlier frame with those added on. I'm not sure. I don't know 45s that well. Got a little stamp down here. I don't know what that means. They've got, if you look at the neck here, you got a setup here for the Timken bearings. So that's been changed. This all looks pretty good. I'm not sure if a pin came out of here or not for a dampener or something. I don't know. So I'm not exactly sure how stock this is. However, I believe that maybe someone has done something with this neck section here. I don't know if this is repaired at one time, but I got a weld right here. I got a weld right here. And maybe something happened in here. I'm not exactly 100% sure. I don't know how far down the seam is supposed to go, but anyway, it looks like a good frame. But I just want to point out that some of the stuff has been patched back on. Perhaps this was done. I'm not a 45 expert, but anyway, I guarantee you these are not stock. You know, they were put on, and I believe this is put back on. And like we say here, maybe here. So anyway, we're selling it as is. This would be a great frame to start a restoration project, or it would be a great bobber or a good vintage brakeless flat track racer or something like that. The 45 frames are getting pretty hard to find, especially the 3-bolt ones. So we're selling it as is. Possible low-cost shipping available on request, depending on where you live. Okay, we're going to put her on eBay, and the highest bidder is going to get her. So thanks a lot for looking at her stuff.